Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to make a smooth speed ramp transition in DaVinci Resolve 18 for free. Let's say this is our clip that we want to use to make the speed ramp transition. So at first what we want to do is click on the clip, then right click and go to retime controls. Just click it until you see this blue signs and here speed change, and here on the bottom, you can see 100%, which indicates the speed of the clip. So just if I let it play, just normal speed. Okay, now let's say you want to make a speed ramp right here. Let's say right here. So just go with your cursor to this point, then go to this little arrow, click it and go to add speed point. Then what you want to do is search for the ending of the speed ramp. Let's say back here and do the same again. Add speed point. So now you can see the speed of our three clips are still 100%. So now let's just change this one here to a very fast speed, for example, 800%. As you can see, it decreases in size because this little clip in the middle, of course, is now 8 times faster than the other two. And if you want, you can here just use the change speed of, for example, 50%. So a bit slow-mo. Let's just decrease this clip a bit like this. And now if we let it play, here you can see it's slow-mo, and then it's fast, and then it's slow-mo again. But it's not that clean. The transitions are not that clean, and we want to fix that. What you want to do for this is click on the clip, right click and go to retime curve. Just click it, and here at the down arrow, just click it and deselect retime frame and enable retime speed. So now you can see these speed ramps. What you want to do to make it smooth is click on the, for example, on the left point, and then don't choose this sign, but choose the left one. So as you can see, there's a little smooth transition. Do the same with the right point. Go to this thing. Perfect. And if you want to make it even more clean, just click on the clips and drag them a bit to the side like this and like this. Okay, and now we can just try it again. Slow-mo. Perfect. It's way cleaner. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make a smooth speed ramp transition in DaVinci Resolve 18 for free. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.